Hey guys, I'm here to let you know that yet another Tron smart contract will be dropping in 4 days, 16 hours. This one is closely modeled after troncase. And like I've said on other videos, that a lot of the new smart contracts, they're basically just templates of previous ones. And for them to stay around, it really pretty much depends on the community. So even though we know the look of this is just a different color scheme, we're still going to go through the presentation. And if you've been with us before, you already know how to put TRX in your wallet and how to withdraw TRX from your wallet. You also know that smart contracts are 100% decentralized. This one is Tront, tront.io. And we've talked about previously, are they safe? Yes, the code is safe. They're fully transparent. When you visit TronScan, you can look at the code as it is written originally. The smart contracts also offer a third-party audit report. And there's been lately people talking about, are the contracts valid or not? Well, that's up to you to decide. You can go to the website and read the audit report. Some of the audit reports link directly to the company that performed the report. So do your deep dive on Google and YouTube and find out as much as you can about the validity of the audits if you need to do that. And let's go over what their plan is going to be for the Tront platform. So the minimum deposit is going to be 100 TRX, maximum deposit 4 million. And that looks like it's going to be per transaction. So you will be able to deposit more, just no more than 4 million in one transaction. And then your total return on investment is 200%, and that's including your deposit. So you're basically just going to double what you put in. The basic earning rate is going to be 1% every 24 hours. There's a personal hold bonus of 0.1% for every 24 hours that you don't withdraw. There's going to be a contract balance bonus of 0.2% for every $1 billion of TRX that's on the platform. And then a community bonus of 0.1%. And that has a max of 0.5%. And this is if the community reaches 10 million active users, 10 million. And then there's an additional leader bonus of 0.1%. With a max of 0.5% extra. And again, this is every time the platform distributes 1 billion TRX referral commissions, there will be an additional leader bonus of 0.1%. Okay, there are referrals on 11 levels, 10.4211, then 0.5, 0.4321%. They are recommending a strategy. You can read about it on the presentation, which I will attach to the description. And that will be attached probably on the Facebook page. I'm not sure if I can attach the presentation on the YouTube channel, but I will leave a link in the description so that you can go directly to it also and check out what they're recommending. I recommend that you invest only what you're willing to lose. because I want you to be a happy investor and a safe investor. Okay. So that's it for this short introduction. Like I said, it's going to be launching in 4 days, 16 hours. I'll drop a referral link whenever they launch the program and let you know if anything changes before then. So remember tront.io, sorry, Tront Smart Contract. It'll be launching in 4 days, 16 hours. See you soon.